Now we're gonna mount the 12 volt socket. We have to open these two bolts from this plastic cover. There are also two small bolts, pins, so to speak, needed to be pushed out to take out this plastic cover. This one here and one on the opposite side. The place is quite narrow, but it went out. You can see also a clip, a sound clip. Este cu tot cu display-ul ăla cu...
Are niște cleme.
Da.
Trebuie să folosesc așa. Ok. Trebuie să iasă cu fără, pe lângă.
Da.
Pe lângă display.
And now the display is out. Check it out. The complete dashboard goes out only by taking out these two clips. We took out this rubber protection over there. And we have the dashboard actually out. It has a connection over here. Let's check it out. As you can see, connection here, also one pin here. The bolts are here, the bolts which are taking this in place, and this connection pins. Are o mufă falsă, cum ar veni, o dummy connection îi zice, da, aia. And here there is this dummy connection with red. This has to be taken out and replaced by this one. And we placed this 12 volt socket inside the location, and we have also a washer, some kind of washer, which will be tidied up. And afterwards we're gonna mount it in its place. You can also see the wiring in front of the dashboard.
Asta e grasul,
Da.
Să fie ceva.
It's recommended to put some water with soap to be able to put them back easily, especially on these connections. The dummy connection goes out, and we have the connection for the 12 volt socket. Basically this is it, and now we connect the dashboard back in its place. Cred că ăla e, da, a făcut click. Intră super și asta acolo, da?
Da.
Are un loc bun. E binișor gândită partea asta din față.
După aia, asta și punem cu el. Nu-mi place mie, pentru aici.
Da. And now we attach the zip tie, and now we attach the zip tie, the provided zip tie. Are o cătare, nu?
Da, uite aici, de exemplu, ce uiți? Asta.
Ah,
Sunt detalii mici,
da,
dar
da,
importante. Da.
Here you have a direction, let's say a guidance which will guide you to put this back exactly on its place. You need to push it just slightly in front, and actually this is it. This is a job already done. And perfect. And this is a 12 volt power outlet. It has 2 amperes, the same as it was for my previous Honda NC. It's not fast charging,